I gave a talk at the American Marketing Association a couple weeks ago, and the gist was that we started to see our sales double every month. When we were wondering why were they doubling all of a sudden, and it turns out there's a interesting trend among brands using AI to personalize. So typically in the past, personalization was there's some sort of template and you plug in different words, but now AI enables brands to fully customize every single email. So what you see here is this is an email to a customer, and it's 100% custom, written by AI. And everything that's highlighted happens to be something that the AI pulled from details about this customer. And you can kind of pull it together in this context that tells a story that is more engaging for customers. And these things, as you can imagine, they drive conversions a lot better. So the gist was, this is the future of marketing. Now it's personalizing text. You can imagine personalizing, images and GIFs next, and then eventually, fully personalized commercials that deeply understand a customer and are made custom for them at scale. Now, doing this for every single customer is something you just couldn't do before AI. So AI isn't really the limiting factor. The limiting factor now is data. And the question was, how do you get this data? Well, the answer is, of course, you spend 10 hours creating a shitty Qualtrics survey that everybody hates, right? That doesn't work. If you do that maybe once a year, everybody's going to hate you. They're not going to take it again. So the question is, how do you get this long data in a fast way on an ongoing basis? And that turns out why people were actually using our app. I'll show you a quick way. So we have some coffee creamer products here. I'll put in, favorite creamer for your book club. We'll generate it. And in just about, 20 seconds, this will generate a quiz with these products that I want to recommend or get preferences on that I can use with a post on social media. So I can post, hey, we have a new pumpkin spice creamer that's launching. Tell me about your favorite creamer. People take this quiz. They opt into it with their email address, and they give answers. And then all the answers that they give get attached to that profile. So if you post multiple times a day, you can see over time, you have, dozens of quizzes with hundreds or thousands of data points that you can use for personalization. So just like that, we have this quiz that was created. So instead of spending hours creating every single quiz, I can do this in 30 seconds. My social team can do it and include it with every post to help get opt-ins and also gather these preferences that I can use for personalizing marketing. So we have this, and the three key takeaways that I think any brand can use are: first is data is oxygen to AI. You need to get that personalization data, hundreds or thousands of data points, to be able to personalize your marketing. You need, a bit of it for email marketing, but to create these rich worlds, whether they're images or videos or VR, you're going to need a lot more data than that. The other thing is you have to start now. Somebody's not going to answer 100-question survey. You have to drip this stuff over time. Every week, ask a few more questions, and over a couple of years, you have this large corpus of data that you can use. And lastly is don't interrupt them with some long survey. Integrate it into your existing marketing channels. Maybe it's emails, maybe it's on social media. Social media is actually the best place because people love engaging with fun things. So have a 3 to 5 question quiz, have some valuable stuff in there data-wise, but also keep it fun for your customers. And if you make it a sort of giveaway with an incentive, say a $50 gift card, you can get up to a 40% opt-in rate, which is pretty good. So that's it in a nutshell, what my talk was about. It seems to be a very interesting emerging trend. I'm sure we'll see a lot more of it, and I hope this helps you take advantage of it.